So today we're going to do show me questions, and I'm also going to use this clip for my thumbnail. So it's incredibly important that you understand how to operate the controls in the car, and that you're used to being able to drive the car with one hand and operating the controls whilst driving. It's something that you need to practice whilst you're doing your driving lessons. So I'm going to run through all of the questions. So that's show me how to use the horn, show me how to open a side window, show me how to wash and clean front and rear windscreens, and show me how to demist front and rear screens. You'll only get asked one show me question whilst driving the car. So you need to determine when it is safe to do the show me question. Various reasons why you might not at different points, and it depends on the question. One of them is switching on your dipped headlights. Now, if you switch on your dipped headlights at a point where it could confuse another motorist, perhaps coming up to a parked car like this, it might look like you're flashing them through, flashing somebody out of a junction. Now we all know that flashing doesn't strictly mean letting people out, but that is what it's commonly used for. So you have to use common sense. So don't switch your headlights on right at a very awkward moment when there's a car pulling out of a junction. Or like the horn, when there are people around, or a cyclist, could also be confusing or make somebody jump, especially if they're on a bicycle. So your safe to do so moment would not be as you're going past a bicycle. People often say, can you fail a driving test for getting the show me or the tell me question incorrect? So the answer is yes and no. So although technically it is only a driving fault, also known as a minor, which you get even if you get both questions wrong, you get a minor. The problem with the show me question is that people drive the car dangerously, so it's the driving part of it that counts. So if you go to do the show me question, even if it's opening your window for example, and you start looking down at the window, you can't see where the switch is, you drive across the white line, etc, etc, you almost have an accident, then you're going to get a dangerous fault for it. When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you would open and close your side window, please? When it's safe to do so, can you show me how the horn works in this vehicle, please? When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you would wash and clean your front windscreen, please? When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you would wash and clean your rear windscreen, please? When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you'd switch on the dipped headlights, please? When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you demist the front screen in this vehicle, please? When it's safe to do so, can you show me how you would set the rear demister in this vehicle, please? Just remember, every car's different, so you need to learn the controls in your car. If you need to do that when you're sat still, then just do it. Like, subscribe and comment.